Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in today's video we are going to unbox the Gudsen Moza Air 2 gimbal. Previously I was a user of Xeon Crane version 2, but recently I have switched to the Gudsen Moza system. So I have been using this gimbal for last 2 months, but in today's video I am just going to unbox it, and very soon I am going to make an intensive user review. So without further ado, let's jump into the unboxing session. So this is the Moza Air 2 packet, which has been come like this to me, and I have bought this from Bangladesh, and the shop I have bought from, if you are from Bangladesh, you can buy from them. They are very good at their business. I have bought it from Camera House, Bashundhara City.Level-6. So I'll be putting the details in the description box. So first take a look at the outside of this packet. This is the Moza Air 2 outside packet. Now I have been using this for last 2 months, so it's been gone through some tear and worn and tear, so just avoid that things. So here you can see they have this nice packaging, and they have this seal here that I have already opened, and they have a list of supported cameras, which includes all the way from the lightweight camera like Sony A650 and Blackmagic cinema camera to the highest range, the high weight camera like Sony FS5, 1DS Mark II or Canon C100. So this gimbal can take a load up to 4.2 kgs, so you can imagine how far you can go with this one. And in this side you have a nice picture of the Moza Air 2 with a follow focus, eye focus attached to it. Now I didn't buy the eye focus for now, but I have a plan to buy it very soon. So now let's unbox it. So this is what you get after opening the packet. Now it is unfortunate that the Gudsen Moza Air 2 doesn't provide any pelican case, and that is not a problem for me right now, and I'll tell you the reason later on in this video. So let's take a look inside the box. The first thing is you get this manual with the Moza Air 2. Now this is something very common. The best thing I love about this gimbal is this hardy tripod. This tripod is very good quality tripod, and it can take a lot of load on it. You can feel it when you take it in your hand. This is the battery charger. It comes with 4 batteries. Each battery has 10,000 milliampere, so you are using around 40,000 milliampere with this gimbal, because this gimbal gives up to 16 hours of running hour, which is more than DJI runniness, because DJI runniness gives you around 12 hours and this can give you 16 hours. It's total of its running hour with the fully charged batteries. Next we have a bag, and let's show you what is inside. Here you have got a lot of cables. All these cables are for different camera manufacturers, so that you can connect your gimbal with the camera directly and operate your camera's functions like ISO, shutter speed and record on a button via your gimbal. So these are all for different kind of cameras, and especially this one is the charging cable, which you connect with this charger and put it in a socket which have the USB port. But unfortunately the Gudsen Moza didn't provide any charger, dedicated charger for this one. But I think it's not a kind of problem that you cannot solve, because it's really easy to get one in your hand. Here you have got some rods which you can attach with this gimbal to attach the eye focus system when you have got one in your hand. It's the same functionality for the eye focus. Here you have a extra base plate for your gimbal. We don't need this one right now, so we are putting this in. The reason I have loved this company, they have put so much effort on this. You can tell by the accessories. I have seen a lot of companies of gimbal, they never provide this kind of thing with this. This is the joystick. This is the joystick support, and you can save your joystick by just putting this one. And there are things like this. This is the cover which I'll show when I bring out the original gimbal. So now finally this is our gimbal. So this is the gimbal. By the design you can say that this has been copied originally from the DJI Ronin S, but I will say I have used the DJI Ronin S previously, but I'll say that this is the advanced version of DJI Ronin S in some cases. But I'll not cover those functionalities in this video. I'll make a separate video how you can make the best use of this. Speaking of the body and the feel of it, you can say that it doesn't feel cheap. It feels really professional and in your hands. And you have the follow focus ring here. It would be great if I could put a camera support on this and I'd show you, but I'll make another video for this. But because right now I have one camera which I'm filming with, so I can show you. One information I'm giving you, that if you will see this follow focus button, this follow focus wheel in DJI Ronin S and in this gimbal and other gimbals like Xeon Crane 2 or something like that, the biggest advantage with this gimbal is that you can use this knob to functionalize your roll motor. So you can make a control roll with this very smoothly while you are using your gimbal. Like when you are dolling in or dolling out, you can use this part to roll for a certain period of time. You have a record button here, which there is a symbol of recording. So if you have the camera connected with your gimbal, you can use this button to kind of record on and off with your gimbal. And one big thing is you have a nice screen here by which you can see your different controls and all these things. And it's kind of very easy for me because each time I don't have to go to open my smartphone apps and set my controls again and again. But this system has given me so much control that I can check it out from outside. Speaking of the battery compartment, you can check this battery compartment here. This is the battery compartment because this doesn't come out like DJI Ronin S, because DJI Ronin S have a different battery compartment which you can attach from here, and the gimbal becomes easy to carry. Now these things is not easy to carry because this is something very big. So but for me, that is I can live with, because I have a different bag which I have got a gift from Gudsen Moza, which I'll be showing you very soon, that makes my life easier to carry this gimbal. So I don't need that pelican case, strong pelican case, which I cannot which I always have to carry like a briefcase, which I actually don't like. I like the way a bag I can carry. So this is the battery compartment, and you can put all these 4 batteries inside this compartment. So I'll make a separate videos about how you can set this up and balance a camera on top of it. And now this is the bag I have got a receipt from Moza Air. They have given it as a gift. So let me show you the inside of this packet, side of this bag. This is the bag you can carry up. That's my another camera. Now, so this is the bag, and you have a nice compartment to put your gimbal here. I can put 2 or 3 lenses here, and I can put 1 camera body here. So this is the thing, and you have a nice chamber here. And the good thing is they have put a key. When your quick release plate from the gimbal, they have one in the bag as a gift, and one in the original packet which I unboxed sometimes ago. So that's all for today, guys. If you love this video, please thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video.